Hi, I'm Christina, and I want to show you the Getaway Tote from Initials Inc. This is a great weekender bag. As a matter of fact, I just came back from a weekend with it. And it is a quilted bag that feels like a really soft, durable fabric, though, with the vegan leather handles. And you can carry it on your shoulder, or it also has optional little buckles here where you can put a skinny strap on it and carry it as a crossbody. So it's versatile that way. I'm going to show you what I have in here for a 3-day weekend. So it has a zipper closure on the top that opens, and I've got toiletries and makeup, power cords, 3 shirts, 3 pants, 3 pair of shoes. So I can get all of that in my Getaway Tote. But I also want to show you the back of it. It has a zippered pocket here where I could carry my phone, or this is the feature I really love. If I am going to go on an airline trip and I want to use this as my carry-on on top of my rolling luggage, you unzip here and then this pocket becomes the sleeve on which you can place it right on top of your rolling luggage, and it sits right there securely. Now, if I were using it that way, what I would do is I would put my travel pillow, my iPad, probably a scarf, some munchies, and I even put my handbag in it. And then that becomes my carry-on piece that will go under the seat in front of me. And I have access to my purse. It's very stylish. And this is how I would take it on a trip, on a plane. So this is the Getaway Tote. It is $62. This is a mega monogram that is an extra $12, but I really love how it fits this bag. So it's in a pattern called Summit. It is on low quantity. Once these are gone, they will be retired. I don't know why, because I love this bag. So get one while you can.